And of course, the correct answer for the mean is to sum up all the data and divide it by the number of data items. So we use the command sum data, divide by len data, realize that inside the function this thing is called data. And then if we plug in data 1, the specific data sequence, into the function, and we go and hit the run button, we get 54.4 as an answer. And that's the correct mean. So if you got this right, you wrote an interesting piece of software already. Now, if you have lots of programming experience, this was trivial. But if you're new to programming, that's actually quite remarkable.